in the choir. We always liked to, originally we started out, we didn't have any harmonies or anything to this, but we liked it so much that we added in harmonies. If I had my friends here, they'd be able to do it, it would be amazing. But they're unfortunately all the way back in Oklahoma. But this is another song that you'll probably recognize the melody to, but this is North Wind.